the concepts of lean, which is all about reducing waste, and the concepts of Six Sigma, which is all about reducing the variation in the process, when combined together, would provide you profound results. The results which cannot be achieved by common sense, which requires extraordinary reasoning, would be achieved if we implement Lean Six Sigma. And the stepping stone to implement Lean Six Sigma projects would be Lean Six Sigma Green Belt training. Why do we need to drive it using a tool called Minitab? Because Minitab has been de facto when it comes to most of the organizations to analyze the data. 90% of Fortune 100 companies use Minitab. Minitab is used in 4,000 plus universities across the globe. That speaks volumes about Minitab. This is the reason why we'll be learning about Minitab alongside learning about the theoretical concepts of Lean Six Sigma Green Belt. Before that, my quick introduction. That's my name, Bharani Kumar. I'm an alumnus of IIT and ISB Indian School of Business. These are the bunch of certifications which I possess. I'm a certified business analytics expert. I've done my Lean Six Sigma Green Belt and Black Belt from RABQSA, Registered Accreditation Board, Quality Society of Australasia. I've also completed my Six Sigma Master Black Belt, and hence I'm proud to say that I'm very well qualified to train you all on Six Sigma Green Belt concepts. This is my profession. I am a data scientist and I do a lot of research in analytics space, which is all about building the prediction models. If someone applies for a bank loan, should we approve the loan or not? Would the customer be a fraudulent customer or not? Would the person pay the EMIs on time or not? This is all about analytics. If you swipe a credit card or make a payment using credit card, is it a fraudulent transaction? Did someone steal your card and then make the payment? Or is this a genuine transaction? This is all about analytics. Predicting on when an employee will resign an organization, even before an employee resigns, is all about data science. We will first look into the introduction of ExcelR Solutions. ExcelR Solutions is headquartered in Bengaluru region of India. It has its presence across the various major cities and metros of India. Not just National Training Institute and consulting firm, ExcelR also has its presence across the globe, including the developed countries, including US, UK, Australia, Middle East, Europe, so on and so forth. Until now, we have trained 10,000 plus participants across the globe, and the count is increasing strong. It is increasing exponentially, thanks to the wide variety of courses that we provide. We have a kitty of 20 plus courses in the space of data science, data analytics, business analytics, Six Sigma, project management, quality management, service management, and the list would go on and on. We have 30 plus corporate clients from across the industries, across the globe. We have clients or customers from financial services, insurance industry. We have the clients from life sciences, healthcare, from the retail market, so on and so forth. And the best part is all of our trainers have a very solid foundation of education. All of our trainers are from Financial Times top 20 B schools. So you can be rest assured that you get the best from the best. Let us discuss more about this training specifically. ExcelR has accreditation with TUSUD, which is a German-based certification body. And this course that I'm training you all now is aligned with any major certification body, including the likes of American Society of Quality, Quality Society of Australasia, TUASUD, which happens to be German-based certification body. All trainings have the pre-readings. So we have already provided to you all the training material so that you might spend some time reading this content even before you look at the recorded videos. Let us now look into the agenda which would be covered as part of your first phase of the project, which is interaction phase. Six Sigma, by the way, is a project. We will be learning about what is lean, what is Six Sigma, how did Six Sigma and lean evolve, the types of Six Sigma methodologies, basic statistics along with the various data types. And as I've earlier committed, we will be discussing about case studies after the end of logical concepts. Hence, you'll be discussing about internet service provider case study, and you will try to understand how to implement the basic statistics when it comes to this case study. We will do a lot of graphical representation, including your box plot, your normal distribution. You would understand what is a probability distribution, which is pivotal for starting off with your statistics. Finally, you'll be understanding the various variants of sigma. And then we will do a quick recap just to ensure that your understanding is better. And finally, we'll start or probably stop this particular phase and get started with the define phase. And then the measure phase and analyze phase and improve and control phase. Finally, please do not forget to look at the project, which is extremely important for you to differentiate yourself from the rest of the people who are Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certified. Thank you. Let us get started in the next video.